why Zimbabweans are bitter after all. I'm not opening their mother's care.
Don't be too fast
to close your lids.
Some of us here are slow and capturing.
You made it in life, keep opening, we are no longer paying this TV.
I'm in love with your care.
Zimbabwe mentire kufara hatina kana problem newe. Unehama here, imagine baba wako vachiona kabins kako pa Facebook.
I also wanna know if she has parents and if she's okay, because there is really no way that this can be normal.
Does she have parents?
Yes, and she's trying very hard to put food on the table.
Parents and social media, two different things.
Oh, I will start opening my own. This period I have learned from you. Imagine how fresh my ears are. She's not doing anything wrong. Masimba moda kunyebera kungos vita what remain.
But guys, do you think I'm stupid or I don't have brain because of my content?
I'll a grown up, I know what I want, and I know what I'm doing. Stop lecturing me, please.
Another mistake that one condom's supposed to solve.
Be yourself and ignore those who try to tell you how to live your life. Let them live their life instead of lecturing others.
I'm not going to stop
Working hard to achieve my goals.
Baba bebenzi havana mufaro.
The brotherhood is proud of you. Keep feeding us every day, every hour, every minute. But ladies, you should thank me. I am John, starting your man out there.
You could never jumpstart my man.
I do that all by myself. Luckily, my man doesn't have phone these days, yo.
Ndikamuona pano ndomu visa nzeve, only me alone.
Our boyfriends are in the comment section. Kovarumes vava perera kunonyai.
Iminya imia
Queen Nadia TV.